This new website can make you this amount per day, even if you've never made any money online before. There are actually a lot of different ways for you to make money and be paid with this platform from anywhere in the world. And we have never talked about it in this channel before. Now, I will exclusively reveal it in this video to you, so you can start using it too. First, I want to show you proof that this actually works. As you can see, I have made a big amount of money directly on this platform. This is just one of the ways you can make money with it. There are actually over 10 different ways you can earn from this platform and make a lot more money. And as a proof, you can see this payment that was directly to my PayPal account, one of the many that I have received. Besides that, you can also start other online businesses because there are different ways you can make money online using the platform, which I am about to share with you in this video.
This is Hustleholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video.
But before we go to the website, first, we need to set up and have your own PayPal account. So, head on over to paypal.com and sign up by clicking this button over here. Upon clicking, make sure to provide all the necessary details to ensure the registration. However, if you do not recommend PayPal, you can also link the payment to your online banks. Now, here's the actual platform that we will be using. It is at embersmmworldpanel.com. This is by far the best SMM panel I have found. This is a platform where you can get loads of different services. Everything from YouTube content creation to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Spotify, and TikTok, social media management, and much more. There are loads of different services that can be found on this platform. It's going to be really useful. As we have talked about on previous videos, these massive companies that are providing those services for thousands of dollars are actually using these kind of platforms. So, instead of paying thousands of dollars for those services, we will go directly to the supplier on this SMM panel and get it for a much lower cost. In addition, I will show you how that will make you money online. There are actually a lot of ways you can use this platform and make a lot of money online to make an actual online business around it. Let us take Instagram followers as an example. If you select Instagram followers right here, you will have all of these different services. For example, you can get this amount of followers by just paying a small amount. Don't worry, you don't have to invest immediately. By the end of this video, I will show you how to start without even investing a single cent. So, if you can get this number of followers for this amount, that means the more money you invest in it, the more followers you will have. Now, if you go to socialchadia.com, which is a platform where people buy and sell accounts, you will be able to see that there are people who sell accounts for massive amounts, like this one right here, for this amount of money. So just imagine creating an Instagram account, this amount for this amount of followers, and then sell that account for hundreds of dollars. This is just one way on how to use the SMM panel platform. So let's test the SMM panel here.
Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below.
Here I have created a brand new Instagram account. As you can see, you still have this amount of followers. What I will do right now is grab the URL of this account and go over to SMM panel and paste the link on this box right here. And I will pay this amount to get this amount of followers. Let us see if it's actually going to happen or if it is a scam. I will now submit this request and let us wait to see the results. Now, After a couple of minutes and a lot of refreshing the page, my followers have gone up to this number. Since the number of followers have gone up, I can now sell this account to platforms such social Tradia for hundreds of dollars. As you can see, this is what you will get for this amount of followers, and it just cost me a small amount. I can also use fameswap.com, where people sell their accounts for hundreds of dollars also. Sometimes on this platform, a couple thousand followers can be sold for a huge amount of money, which is high. Besides selling an account, you can also just resell those services, which these people are doing. They are selling this number of followers for this amount, but we saw that we could get them for a much cheaper price. This number of followers can be sold for just $1, which you can sell for a higher amount that you have invested, like $10. This is where you can make a decent amount of profit. This is not only working for Instagram followers, but for all the other services that can be found in the platform, which is in the description. Through these services, you can also grow your online business. Either resell services for a higher price or just build your social media accounts and either sell them or monetize them. Like you can create a YouTube channel, build it from scratch, get it monetized, and start running a successful YouTube business. You can create a simple cash flow channel and create a really good business on YouTube or any social media platform. But what you can also do is simply go over to social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and so on, and contact small creators, and you can ask them if they want to boost their account. If they want to grow their account, you can help them get views, likes, followers, and the likes. Just in TikTok, you can reach out to over 1 billion users. If they would like to grow their account, just sell them the service so you can provide them with this number of followers in exchange for an amount. Trust me, loads of them would be willing to buy a lot more followers than that because people are building their businesses around those social media platforms, and they will see it as an investment. They will see it as an opportunity to grow their social media business, and they will be willing to pay you. This is just another way that you can utilize the SMM panel to make a lot of money online. Now, as I promised you, at the end of the video, I am going to show you a bonus strategy which you can use to get started with this platform without investing any money at all. What you can simply do is just take advantage of their free services. As you can see, it is going to be open for a limited time, and they have services that you can resell. Through these limited services, you can earn a small amount, which you can reinvest in the SMM panel and avail the opportunity the services will give you. To avoid any fees, you can also avail their affiliate program, which is found here. You can start promoting this tool with this amount of commission. As you can see, I have made some money from promoting this SMM panel. Therefore, there are definitely a lot of ways you can use the software. There are many ways where you can make money or establish an online business from the platform I have provided earlier. That is all, and I hope you get value out of this video.
That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.